The ANDELI MIG-270P Pro Welder is a versatile machine that supports multiple welding methods including MIG, TIG, and MMA, making it suitable for a variety of welding tasks. Its user-friendly LCD screen allows for easy navigation and precise control over welding settings, ensuring high-quality results even for beginners. This welder features a synergically designed interface that simplifies the process, allowing users to adjust wire feed speeds smoothly for optimal performance. Equipped with advanced IGBT inverters, the ANDELI MIG-270P Pro provides efficient and reliable power output, enhancing the welder's duty cycle significantly. Safety is a priority with this welding machine, as it includes automatic protection against overheating and voltage fluctuations, giving users peace of mind. With CE certification and a 2-year warranty, the ANDELI MIG-270P Pro Welder offers excellent customer support and free replacement parts, ensuring long-term reliability.